You know you're a workaholic when you accrued so many hours of PTO and you're just scrambling to take as many days off as you possibly can because the company you're working for will only pay out 70% of it once you leave. So yeah, here I am, not working. Hello everyone! Welcome in or welcome back. My name is Kim and today we are filming a Get Ready With Me. Why? Because even on my off days, I still need to find something to do. I'm not too familiar filming these kinds of videos where I'm basically talking about myself, but there are some updates that I want to share with you guys, so bear with me, there's a lot to divulge. Time now is 7:43 and the sun is fast approaching my window as we speak, so the lighting is gonna fluctuate every now and then and I apologize. So I just finished splashing my face with water. Unless I wake up sweaty, I typically don't cleanse my face in the morning. Some people do, some people don't. I personally don't. And I skipped straight to the rest of the skincare routine. I did cut my hair off last week too. It's a lot shorter than what I originally wanted cut, but there were so many split ends to deal with that I just got rid of them. I wanted a more blunt cut to it too, so I simply just cut straight across. This is a little long, so. Do I recommend cutting your hair yourself? I mean, if your hair is one length like mine, I would say go for it. But if you have layers, then I recommend taking it to a professional. When I was starting my undergrad back in like 2014, I got so tired of the layers. I asked my mom, who's a hairdresser, to essentially cut my hair one length and just get rid of the layer look entirely. That way it's gonna be much easier to trim it myself and I don't have to bother my mom as much. Speaking of school, I'm going back to uni. I got accepted into an accelerated program and it starts this coming summer. So I'm basically scrambling to get everything done prior to enrollment. Unfortunately, right now I'm at a standstill, which is nerve-wracking to say the least. I'm basically awaiting further instructions from the program that is gonna start in like a few months. So while I'm playing the waiting game, I'm doing some apartment tours in the meantime. There's one that I'm scheduled this Saturday, and it's an apartment that is like very close to the building that I'll be frequently occupying. Just going to check it out with my dad and my sisters, and hopefully it meets our expectations. This entire ordeal occurred the whole month of February. I'm not even joking. I got the decision email back on February 1st, and the whole gist of the email was basically saying, "Congratulations, you got into the program. You start in May." And I was just here like, that gives me no time to prepare. So I'm glad I finished like a good chunk of the things listed in the checklist that they gave me. But there's still a few more important tasks that are listed that I can't do yet until I get an email. So on the schedule for today, we are getting ready to get some lab work done. And by we, I mean me. After that, I'm not really sure, to be honest. Maybe do some shopping. I haven't been thrift shopping in like a while, so that'd be fun to revisit. We'll see how long getting these lab orders done will take and play it by ear. Alright, skincare done. Let's go ahead and curl the hair. So I requested from my PCP to get allergy tested, specifically for shrimp, because I am now showing like symptoms of an allergic reaction whenever I consume shrimp. Granted, this began back in like 2019. And it doesn't happen every time I consume shrimp, which is why I never got tested in the first place. But over time it does happen quite frequently now, to the point where I have to know once and for all. To be quite honest, I'm gonna be so fucking devastated if it does turn out that I've developed a shrimp allergy, because I do enjoy myself a good seafood boil. Hair is done. It's looking crazy curly. We're just gonna do some more styling with it. I think that's pretty good. It's fluffy-ish. My hands are sticky with products, so I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick before I do my makeup. My hands are clean. Let's go ahead and finish putting on the rest of my face. I'm gonna start with this mini hydro grip primer from Milk and just apply it to the areas of my cheeks only. I don't wear too much makeup. Not because I prefer the natural look, but because I absolutely suck at makeup. So I just do what my knowledge allows me to. Embarrassingly enough, it's not much. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Rare Beauty blush in the color Grateful. Lovely color, super pigmented. A little goes a very long way. So, shit, I think that's a lot. So essentially, oh, shit. So essentially, what does this mean for this channel? Nothing has changed, to be honest. I did clarify that I'll be posting on an as-needed basis, meaning I will film and upload when I can. As much as I enjoy making these videos and be on top of things, I need to prioritize my studies first and foremost. Shit. I'm really hoping my skin absorbs the blush, like, pronto. Otherwise it looks like I'm burning. And not in the cute sunburn kind of way either. It's like I'm literally burning. Let's go ahead and use the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This is in the shade Dutch. So I don't brush all of my brow hairs, only the ones that are like very sparse and very like downwards. Like these ends, for example, I'm gonna fill them in. Yeah. And this one, I'm just gonna brush it up. I still very much intend to film a spring lookbook inspired by Animal Crossing. Probably not this month because of the pre-programmed requirements, so probably next month. Not to mention too, the game still doesn't look like it's spring ready either. I want to see the cherry blossoms. Next, I'll be using this Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I usually get the pink one, but they didn't have it in stock. So I got this one thinking it would be the same thing. It's not. This kind of sucks. But since I already bought it, I might as well just use it up, and then I'll be sure to purchase the pink one. Meh. Lastly, the lips. I got this as a gift, and I usually am not a fan of lip stains, but I kind of grew to like this one. Not to mention this is like a Dior, and this is expensive as fuck, so I gotta use it. I usually do it like this, and then use my fingers to kind of just spread. So it's not as red. It's more like a blurred red. I think we're all done. So the last thing to do now is get dressed. I'm gonna go with this outfit. I feel so 70s and I fucking love it. So before I leave the house, I have these two perfumes to decide on. This is Replica's By the Fireplace. This is such a warm and cozy scent. Kind of just reminds you of autumn. And this is Nest Indigo, and I got this as a little birthday gift from Sephora. This is very tea-like, and I've never had a fragrance that smells like this. I think I'll go for Indigo. I look like a person that likes to drink a lot of tea. Alright, we're all ready. I already got my blood drawn and it fucking hurts. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Maybe there's a little shopping area across from here, so I'm gonna go ahead and go there and see what they have.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a short mini shopping montage even though I didn't buy anything. Okay, bye.
This is kind of a cool background. So, I haven't bought anything. Nothing really interests me when I was looking. Debating if I should continue shopping somewhere else, but right now I just feel really tired. What I need right now is coffee. I haven't had my coffee earlier this morning. It is now almost 2 and I need it. I need a quick pick-me-up, so I'll probably just head on home and make some coffee. I'm back at home, I'm in my PJs, and I have my much needed coffee. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and allowing me to catch up with you guys and kind of follow me around on my day off. And as always, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!